slow. Slow. Good job, Braylon. Good job. You're a big helper. Okay, come this way. Come this way. Slow, Brooke. Slow. Because Braylon will fall down. I know. She's sharing. There, see? She's sharing. Shh. Come on and walk to me. Come on, Braylon. Come on. Slow, Brooke. Slow, slow. He can't keep up when you go fast. Good job. Look at you go. Quit whining. Nice work, Braylon.